pillars now to lift your weight. This position is also known as sitting Dandasana. Swastik Asana, chest opening. 5 asanas for heart opening. Ushrasana. Drop the knees. Inhale, raise the right hand. Rotate the right hand. Exhale, right palm, right heel. Inhale, raise the left hand. Exhale, extend the left hand behind. Shift the weight back and then shift forward. Inhaling, coming back, exhaling, chest opening in Shishupasana, second asana. Chest is opening in forward fold. This is very rare. Even a forward fold becomes a chest opener. Shishupasana is the second asana. First is Ustrasana. Walking back for Purva Uttanasana. Cross the legs, cross the ankle. Purva Uttanasana. Purva. This is Purab, that's Paschim. Purva Uttanasana. Bend your legs. Fix the hand. Lift the lower back up. Come up. Chest opening. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhaling, releasing down. Cross the legs. Tuck your right elbow inside. Cactus hand in Swastik Asana. Swastik Asana, chest opening. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Change the side. 1, other side. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, coming back. Exhale, shift the legs forward. Paschimottanasana with Namaskara, chest opener. Raise both the hands up, inhale. This position is also known as sitting Dandasana. Exhale, forward fold completely, Paschimottanasana, drop the head. Five asanas for Manipura Chakra. Five asana for digestive fire. 5 asana for positive actions and devotions. Moving into Naukasana. Inhale, Naukasana, shift the weight back. You can hug your thighs and gently start moving your both the legs forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tall asana. Cross the leg. Take the bricks. You can practice Padmasana also. The option can be Padmasana. Here, squeeze around the spine to lift your tailbone up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Naukasana. 1. 5 asana for positive action, devotion, Manipura chakra, energy of sun. Naukasana is asana number 1. Tall asana, asana 2. 1. Second variation. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, Mayurasana. Asana 3. Mayurasana, asana 3. How to practice Mayurasana for the beginners? Turn the hands, fingertips pointing to you. Come on the knees. Tuck your elbows towards the abdominal organs, above the navel. Tuck the elbows. Straighten one leg and then another leg. You can drop the head if you are beginner. Hold this position. And if you feel balanced, then keep pressing to lift the head and the leg up. You can press the head first. Lift the leg. Head pressing and lifting both the legs. 1, 2. Use the energy to press the head so that your leg will go up. Slowly release and relaxed. Yeah. 4th asana from Mayurasana. Which one is the 4th asana? Tell me, which one is the 4th asana? What could be the 4th asana? Huh? Chin stand. Good. Do the chin stand. You will do it, ma'am? Chin stand. Yes. So for chin stand, you have to go into Parvatasana. How to go into asana? See, I am not looking for the final position. I am just looking for your devotion. That's it. I am not looking for your final position. Not at all. Yeah. Shifting the weight forward, getting the elbows tucked in to raise both the legs up slowly, step by step. Chin stand. Ekam. Here see the hands are pointing forward. Dve, Trini, Chatvari, Pancha, Shat, Sapta. The 5th asana is Sirsasana. When Shiva meets Shakti, how to practice Shirsasana, sitting in Vajrasana, placing your both the palms, yes, in front of you, almost alignment with your head, and then from here lift your butt, drop the head, tuck the toes and raise the tailbone. You will see that the hands are pillars now to lift your weight. Put your one knee and then another knee.